Welcome students to the session of panoramic physics. Students, today our topic of discussion is variation of G, that is acceleration due to gravity with depth. Let us consider a two-way sphere. For simplicity, having density, इसकी density मान लेते हैं, having density rho and mass is capital M. इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर वी हैव स्टडीड कि हाइट के साथ उसमें कैसे वेरिएशन होता था. उसमें हमने जाना था कि हाइट के साथ देयर इज अ वेरिएशन इन द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. इफ यू रिमेंबर देयर इज फैक्टर 1 माइनस 2h by r, जिससे हम उसे रिड्यूस करते थे. दैट इज gh इक्वल टू g इंटू 1 माइनस 2h अपॉन r. और एक और था हमारे पास रिजल्ट, दैट इज r प्लस r अपॉन h स्क्वायर. डिपेंड्स अपॉन किस तरह का हमें न्यूमेरिकल आया हुआ है. नाउ this was with the height. Now today our topic is कि जब हम अर्थ के सरफेस में we go inside डेप्थ में जाएंगे हम, तो what will be there, तो वहां पे एक्सेलरेशन का अफेक्ट कैसे वेरिएशन शो करेगा, how variation will be there in terms of g. अब उसके लिए we should know what is basically अर्थ को हमने यहाँ सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए स्फीयर माना है, and we know that वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर क्या होता है. अगर अर्थ को हम स्फीयर मानते हैं, इट इज 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. हियर आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ विच इज अबाउट 6400 किलोमीटर्स. So this is your volume of sphere. Now rho is your density. Now body is having a mass m also, so mass will be given here by, that is density is mass upon volume, so mass will be volume into density, and volume is 4/3 pi r cube into rho. This will be your mass. You write it as m here. This will be your mass, that is 4/3 pi r cube rho. If it is for the earth, you are saying for earth it will be capital M. Otherwise simplicity हम मास का फार्मूला जानते हैं, it is volume into density. Now on the surface of earth what is the value of g? It is likewise जैसे हमने altitude के लिए प्रोसीड किया था, हाइट के लिए, वैसे इसमें प्रोसीड करेंगे. Very first thing which we should take into account is, सबसे पहला हमें ये देखना है, लेट मी राइट इज ऑर्डर वाइज एवरीथिंग. G is equal to gm upon r square. This will be your very first equation. This is the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. Now before proceeding to depth, we know one more equation, that is 4/3 pi r cube into rho. This is the mass. Now from equation first and second, if we have to find g in terms, in relation to this thing, so we'll get g upon r square 4/3 pi r cube into rho. That is, here it will get cancelled out. We are left with g equal to 4/3 pi r rho g. This is your third equation. But हम क्या कह रहे हैं, we are moving down to the surface. हम इसमें एक तरह से जैसे आपने देखा होगा जब खुदाई करते हैं, for that well we have seen that there are various tunnels inside the earth, खदानें होती हैं, तो there is certain variation over there. तो obviously हम अर्थ के सरफेस से we go to certain depth. अगर हम उसकी डेप्थ को d ले रहे हैं अर्थ की सरफेस से, जहां पे हमने जानना है कि क्या अफेक्ट पड़ेगा बॉडी के एक्सेलरेशन पे, let that point is r minus d. इतना हिस्सा आपका r था, this entire thing is your r and this thing is your d. इतनी डेप्थ पे आप चले गए अर्थ के. नो here this thing is your r minus d, left out is r minus d. Now let it be GD. For depth we write GD or G double dash or G dash, whatever you want to write. Now it is 4 by 3 pi r minus d, r minus d rho g. This is your equation number 4th. That is, now dividing 4th by 3rd, we get, dividing 4th by 3rd, we'll get a new term, that is 4th by 3rd is GD upon G. That will give us value about the acceleration पे क्या effect पड़ेगा depth का. That is dividing 4th by, that is GD upon G. It will be like that, 4 by 3 pi r minus d rho g. It is now GD upon G is there, so that is r minus d upon r will be left, because 4 by 3 pi and this r rho g, this will get cancelled, rho will cancel with this. We are only left with, that is r minus d upon r, GD upon G, or you can write it as GD 1 minus d upon r, that is into G. 1 minus d upon r into G. It clearly shows value of G decreases with depth. G की value decreases, start decreasing with depth by this factor. So students, these are the result of acceleration variation with the acceleration with the height and with your depth. So go through it thoroughly and precisely, and in coming videos we will do numericals related to these things.